that's where you're gonna get just slaughtered. I don't want to compete against those people. I'm not out here to 1v1 a bot. Okay. I play Call of Duty. It
So
doesn't
as
go
you as you
well.
trade,
Yeah.
what does that strategy look like? You mentioned that sometimes you'll stay up to date with news and you'll pre-run something like a Rumble. Like what kind of prep goes into it? What does it actually look like from step zero to completing a trade, especially with an option? And what are some helpful things that you kind of go through in your head?
I get like a Bloomberg newsletter. I kind of keep one eye on X and like Walter Bloomberg, and that'll frequently pop up like different news stories. Those news stories will then bring new ideas or to my attention. Like the Tether investment in Rumble was something that was brought to my attention, which
Mm,
then made me look at the chart, which then made me go through the analysis on the chart, set these key levels, look at the the rest of the stuff from there. Um, so typically that's what I'm gonna do when it comes to following the news. A headline happens. There is this little bit of like experience that goes into that though, being able to know whether a headline is actually significant or not. If you're
yeah.
unsure, just go look at the stock, right? If you're unsure, look at the stock and then watch it for a few days and look at the relative volume. Did a trend develop or was it just a pop in and give? And it went back
Mm,
to its normal trading, average true range, right? Goes right back into that true range. Then you're in a chop zone where you're going to be competing against these, Harvard student algos that are just keeping it in a specific range, and these big bank CTAs, that's where you're gonna get just slaughtered by
slaughtered.
yeah, I don't want to compete against those people.
Yeah, me
you
neither.
know,
I'll stay
yeah.
way far away from them.
I'm not out here to 1v1 a bot. Okay. I play Call of Duty. It doesn't go
1v1.
well. The other process I go through that would be significant enough to talk about would be um developing a watch list based on trends on like greater social trends. So like I actually have like a AI watch list,
Oh, that's great. Little
you know.
subcategories and
So
folders.
like AI gets big and this could
Nice.
be as simple as like going to Google, what stocks use AI?
Mm,
All right. There's gonna be a lot of noise there because obviously when AI got trendy, literally everyone was saying AI like 100 times with their
yeah.
earnings reports. Suddenly everyone had some sort of AI. So you're going to need to do a little bit of analysis to kind of to trim the weeds